Who? Asking about a person. Who are you? Who are you? Who came? Who is he? Who knows? Who broke this? Who did you meet? Who did you meet? Who is next? Who is that man? Who is that man? Whom? Asking about a person. Whom did they invite? Whom did they invite? Whom did you see? Whom did you see? To whom did you give the book? To whom did you give the book? To whom does this belong? To whom does this belong? To whom should I write? To whom should I write? Whom did you choose? Whom did you choose? With whom did you go? With whom did you go? To whom did he send the book? To whom did he send the book? What? Asking about a thing. What is that? What is that? What did he say? What did he say? What time is it? What time is it? What did you buy? What did you buy? What do you need? What do you need? What is going on? What is going on? What does it mean? What does it mean? What is the story? What is the story? What's the matter? What's the matter? What is the problem? What is the problem? What are you cooking? What are you cooking? When? Asking about a time of an event or activity. When can we eat? When can we eat? When do you study? When do you study? When was she born? When was she born? When does it begin? When does it begin? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? When did you return? When did you return? When is school over? When is school over? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? Why? Asking for a reason. Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why did she do that? Why did she do that? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? Why are you busy today? Why are you busy today? Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? Whose? Asking about ownership. Whose team are you on? Whose team are you on? Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose car is that? Whose car is that? Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he? Whose pencil is this? Whose idea is it? Whose idea is it? Whose fault is that? Whose fault is that? Whose is this bag? Whose is this bag? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? How? Asking about a procedure or method. How does this work? How does this work? How can I help you? How can I help you? How many? Asking about a number. How many pencils do you have? How many pencils do you have? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How much? Asking about an amount or price. For example, how much is this dress? How much is this dress? How much should I feed my dog? How much should I feed my dog? How long? Asking about the length of time or size. How long did you stay? How long did you stay? How long is that breeze? How long is that breeze? How far? Asking about a distance. How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How often? Asking about frequency. How often should I feed my dog? How often should I feed my dog? How often do you go to church? How often do you go to church? How old is your father? How old is your father? Asking about an option or choice. Which is better? Which is better? Which is mine? Which is mine? Which is our car? Which is our car? Which do you want? Which do you want? Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Which one is real? Which one is real? Asking about a place. Where are you? Where are you? Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where is my book? Where is my book? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where is your room? Where is your room? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where is the station? Where is the station? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.